Hi ma'am, sir, good morning. I'm Gina Alberio, 53 years old. I'm separated. I have two sons. Their age is 26 and 24. Before I worked in Bahrain, I worked there in 6 years. I have experience there cooking, simple food, then ironing, washing the clothes, cleaning. That's my priority. Cleaning, ma'am, because very big the house. Then I working here in uh, Hong Kong 10 years. I have experience to care the baby and newborn. Then take the kids in the school, cooking, go to market. I know how to cook and the steam uh, fish and pork, chicken, fried chicken, and sweet and sour, fried vegetable, and some fried what is fish and pork. As I know how to cook the simple soup like papaya soup and apple soup and fish soup, radish with pork and carrots. Ma'am, if you hire me as a future your housemaid, I will promise to you I will do my best. I will love your family. I will love your kids like my own kids. Uh, that's all, ma'am. Thank you very much. Bye bye.